we're back. Guess what? She ordered something because my Typhoon H took a, well, it never actually took a because it was already poop. So I think the poo emoji. Anyways, we got something else that she ordered for the channel. We're also going to be ordering something else that goes along with this. So I'm going to let her open it because she's so talented at it. After you. It's almost fun watching her open boxes.
Well, these are easier because I can rip this. I don't have to use your Captain Hook's knife.
The Captain Hook knife? Yes. Oh boy.
Nice and party.
It's been out for almost 2 years, but I enjoyed the Bebop one so much we decided we would get
Bebop 2.
The Bebop 2. And we're going to go ahead and sell the ST16 transmitter that we just bought for the Unique because it's pointless. We're going to buy a refurb, which is going to come with one anyways that works. So we figured we'd sell that transmitter and purchase the
Sky Controller.
The Sky Controller for it. So this came in first. We are going to get the Sky Controller 1 because if you guys know anything about Parrot products, Sky Controller 1 is so much better than both the Sky Controller 2s that they came out with, the Power Edition and the Standard Edition. The original Sky Controller, the black one actually takes the Parrot Bebop 2 batteries, so we're going to be going for the black one, but it sends the drone on much, actually almost gets about the Sky Controller 3 range for the Anafi. About the same. Are we dying over here?
I'm like killing the box.
Things are happening. You got this?
I blame the knife.
Blame Canada. Blame Canada.
I feel like I'm going to kill myself this knife.
I can't blame Canada. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Kim and Roger. I didn't mean to blame Canada. You guys gave us Terrence and Phillip. Just remember that.
And South Park.
And South Park. I hope I'm not this bad at opening boxes. I hope I make it look slightly smoother than this.
But you open a lot of boxes.
I do. She's right about that. I do open a lot of boxes. This is
a
daily thing for me, opening boxes around here. So, all right. Yes. All right, we're getting somewhere.
Okay.
And this is not recertified. This is brand new. So,
yes.
How much did you pay for it?
$150.
$150. Pretty good deal, huh? I think it was the only deal we found in that kind of price range. But $150. I mean, for $50 more than the Bebop 1, you get out of the Bebop 2. So we went for it.
More than the refurbished.
Yes, actually, the refurbs actually cost more than $150, correct?
Yep.
I want to say. So she got a really good deal on this. So, just Parrot stuff, Parrot mumbo jumbo.
Yeah, I like the box. Okay. And it tells you.
You gonna show it to him?
Yeah. So
I can be the pretty lady that.
It tells you things to know before you fly. Oh. Gives you all these little tips. Kind of awesome.
You know what? I actually respect this. I really do. As a drone pilot and someone who doesn't just do does recreational drone flying, I respect that they are doing this right blindly. It's just bluntly in front of your face. Like, you can't miss this. This is uber respect to Parrot or whoever the company. I know that it's Parrot, but maybe just the manufacturer did this. I don't know. That is really a good idea. I wish other drone companies would take something like that into consideration. This gives you all the do's and don'ts as a recreational flyer. All the basics. So very cool. Shout outs to you, Parrot, if that was you guys that did that. Amazing. So, you want to show it to them? Here, I'll aim this down a little bit. And we'll let you show them what we have going on here.
Okay.
Ooh, a box.
Yes. I guess it's the charger.
Yep. Does it look like the original one, kind of? Yeah, it's kind of almost the same thing, just a little weirder. Is that a word?
Well, take this one out and we can pair it next to each other.
That's true. We'll look at it in a sec. Let's continue going here.
And here's the battery.
Okay, what size do we got here? This is a lithium-ion polymer recharger. It's the same thing as the other one. This is really weird. Lithium-ion polymer. I don't understand that.
I wonder if the plugs are the same so you can interchange them.
They're not. They're different.
Oh.
Yeah, way different. All right, so this is a 2700 mAh, 11.1 volt, same as the other one, 11.1. And hey, the 3.5 amp input rate. Not too bad. Let's pull this plastic off here. So, if I understand this correctly, these batteries actually give you almost a 25-minute flight time, which is absolute insanity that something like this small and light would give you a 25-minute flight time. So I'm super curious to see how accurate that information is. All right, what else you got there?
Here's a charging or USB cable.
Okay, that is basically OTG mini USB.
Charging cable.
Ah, charging cable. Very nice, very nice. This is interesting. All right, so you got a, yeah, that's for the props. Okay, we got the prop tool in. What else you got there?
Trick box.
That's a trick box. All right, so those are the connections for US and overseas, English plug, stuff like that. So, yeah, those. You actually just pull up and they come right out.
Of course.
All right, and we're gonna look for US here, which is right here. Fun thing about this is, if we take the plastics off of here, we got stuff all over the place here. Don't even stress, guys. And we figure out the big end, the small end. Okay, locked into place. Boom, and then the small cable here. Do this. Plugs into the top here, like so. And get it in there. There we go. And then you plug it right into the battery and directly into the wall. Very cool. That's a neat charger compared to the other one. So cool, cool. All right, what else we got?
The Bebop.
The Bebop 2. Now, is this still made of foam? Or is this plastic? Oh, this is some kind of like Lexan. This is interesting. So they went from, is it foam and Lexan or just all Lexan? Can you tell?
Well, it looks like foam down here.
Okay, so we got foam on the bottom.
Styrofoam there, and then it has like cover.
Oh yeah, foam on the bottom and then like a Lexan cover. So it is a tad bit different than the original. That's cool. I never really could understand why they went with the foam thing, but whatever, it works, right?
Probably for weight.
Almost looks like the same camera setup. Another 1080 camera. And that looks pretty good. Want to see with the battery in it? Should we pop it in and see? Okay. Let's pop it in and have a gander here. See if it's any smoother than the original. Oh yeah. Oops. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, not bad. That looks pretty good, huh? We got blue and yellow down there. We'll have to put the props on here in a minute. It's super cool.
Looks like they give you 2 sets of each.
2 sets each? Okay, cool. Well, that's about it. So we're going to have to take this out at some point, charge it up. And all I have right now currently, because I let my friend, Mr. Andrew, borrow my FlyPad and my home-built DIY Sky Controller, that won't be back for probably close to 2 weeks. So we may not get a full review of this for about 2 weeks at least, but we may be able to take this out and play with it on my phone maybe Thursday. Yeah. That was something you want to do because I'm off again on Thursday. So we will try to take the Parrot Bebop 2 out on Thursday and see what we think. Everybody kept telling me to get this, and so
we got it.
We got it. We decided it was a good thing to get, so we went ahead and bought the thing, and here it is.